Welcome to the new video of the Zita Site Builder. I am Anurag. I will show you how to get the Zita Site Builder Pro plugin step by step. As the name signifies, it can create any type of website within seconds, whether it is multi-vendor, business, e-commerce, education, dating, real estate, or other categories. Let me tell you, you will not need any type of coding to create your website in the whole procedure. So whether you are new to WordPress or a hardcore coder, this is perfect for you. Now I think we should get started. First, go to WPZITA.com. Now scroll down to the pricing section. There are two options. Choose your option and click on Buy Now. Here you can see the membership type you have chosen and the payment system. Choose the system through which you will pay. A little down there is a form. Fill in your information to proceed further. If you have any coupon code, then paste here, otherwise click Next. We have been redirected to the payment page. Fill this form carefully as it involves transaction. After all, click on Pay. Now go to the members area. This is the dashboard. Here you can see the validity of the Zita Site Builder. Here is the Zita Site Builder Pro. Click on it to download. The plugin has been downloaded. Now go to your site's dashboard. Now navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. Click on Upload Plugin and upload the plugin that we had installed from the Members Area dashboard. Click on Install Now. Activate it. It has come on the menu. Click on it. It is showing inactive as we didn't have activated it yet. To activate the Zita Site Builder Pro, click on Activate Now. Now click on Find Your License Key. Log in using your ID and password. Here is the license key, copy it. Now go to the license key page. Paste the license key here, and click on Activate. The Zita Site Builder is activated and showing here. Here you can pick a page builder among Elementor, Gutenberg, and Customizer. Later the site customization will open in the same page builder. There are categories of multiple website niches. Choose the desired category and then select the design that you want to create. This is the preview of the website. If you want to change the design, click on the back button, otherwise click on Continue. After confirming these options, click on Build My Website. There are two options appearing. With this, you can customize your site, and this is to view your site. I have chosen Elementor Page Builder, so the site is opened with Elementor to customize. After customization, update the site and go back. Now click on View Website to view the live website. Our website is ready and the changes are published. So, that's how we can create a website within a few steps and a short time.